Okay guys, I give you some tips about the topics is about the tips what are you going supposed to do if you have a bad pillar application. See, until now maybe a couple of 2 to 3 weeks or more than a month or almost 2 months or more than 2 months this area. Until now I notice not totally dry, see, it's moving. So how to solve this? We need to remove this area and using by sandpaper again and applying by 100 grits and 60 to 40 to 30 degrees to make finish this area, and then applying a primer after dry sanding, because maybe tomorrow it's raining with thunderstorms, so we need to finish now this area until here. Okay, till here is area we can spray here, prepare in this area also. Okay. It's totally sun sandpaper. I use the sandpaper is the grade 100 to become smooth. So we need to remove this and fix it. Okay. Okay, so we can start now. By using this plastic scraper, so no need more scratch or deep scratch. Okay, so or we use this spreading kit for pillar. Okay, brand new pillar, use pillar. Okay. We remove the extra pillar, so if you can mix this, it's easy and smoothly. Okay. Okay. With first this area because of some dry what do they call this, a dry pork week dry see, pork week dry thickness. So I'm not contented about this, so I need to share to you my experience about this area, how to fix that. Okay, how to remove this undry pillar. Okay. And dry pillar and bad pillar, so we need to resolve this. Okay. is what you call a bad applying pillar. So this is remove this. See? Don't be rash. Okay. Because and dry this area. Because not focusing or facing in the sun. Okay. I want this not facing in the sun. So what happened? Not easily dry. Wheat. See? So as you can see, we try 100. Grade 6. Grade 40. Grade 40. Using a grade 40, 30, and 50. This is 60, 40, 30, 60. We need a more. Almost done. I put the fiber before, so just cover that rock because I hit here before in last year at McDonald's here in Canada. There's some drivers he cannot estimate the distance from the other parking, both corners. So even my green van, as you can see, I hit also in the front. See, I hit also a truck. The local here in Canada. So this is also an old man hitting me. I don't know if accidentally or not because he is using eyeglasses. So in the short story, I am not lucky about that parking lot. I'm not contented about the parking lot in the McDonald's. I'm very careful. I'm always almost hit again some other day by the young person in the McDonald's about Dagroy ba? So almost. So I use the horn to notice me. There's a vehicle at their side or behind. Okay. So we need to push this a little bit flashing. Okay. And then I'm using here before fiber with the glue. See? As you can see, we cover all of this, no problem. And then some little bit flash and flat. Sometimes it's an easy driver night in the morning. Sometimes you cannot expect it. Okay? So from the edge. Up and down, horizontal, up and down, up and down. See, a fiber, cover, support the crack. See, I complained this in SGI, but the problem is it's a long process. Before we fix this, they fix it as safety in your vehicle before they continuing to fix this. Okay? And the code number, they called me, they phoned me before about this complaint about my bumper. He hit me before in McDonald's here in Canada. So instead I bring it again in SGI. It's easy to fix this, so I can do this on my sake. And then I wanna share to you how to fix it. I give you a tips, okay? Instead buy something or waste your time. Okay? So this is the most important. But if you have no knowledge to do this, don't do it. And I wanna show to you and sharing to you what is my experience in Mitsubishi before when I was working there. So I have a little bit knowledge and never say I'm expert of this because I assigned before in chassis under chassis welding way back 1994 starting there, and then they transferring me to the other department in painting. Okay? So as you can see, we need a little bit flashing at both sides, up and down. Okay. The most important, the edge, top side, down side. Okay. always my content is how to help you to save your money. Especially if cost of living is too high. Always budgets. Okay. Is important. The important to fix this area. Down. For final, we use a grade 160 to 100. Okay. So step by step procedure. The important flash, flat. Then we use a 100 grit. Okay. Don't be rush. Step by step process. Pieces. We use later the application, how to applying a primer paint gray color. Okay. Then the final, the first coating, second coating, and the final is duplicate color. You can buy this in Canadian Tire. So it's almost more than $25 plus tax. And this is maybe $15 to $10. Okay, at Canadian Tire. So let's do it now. Okay. Put this wax 100 grit. Hit me this green band. This one, they hit me a truck. See the scratch of my green band. It's okay because this is only a toy. This is what you call a toy for the big boys. Okay, so it's fine. It's easy to fix, easy to do if you have knowledge. Okay, but you have no knowledge, don't do this. Okay, if you only like experience how to fix your own car. Okay. This is some dents. I don't know why. Wait. And then we use eyeglass for your safety. Okay. Or a mask. Here, the 60 grit. 60 grit up to 100 grit for finishing. Okay. Or 120. This is the tips for you. Okay. It's simple like this. flip it both side. Okay. Grease 100 up and down. Up and down. Vertical and horizontal. Not too much perfect, no need too much perfect because you're not a specialist or the professional. Okay. The important you fix it the color closely. See? There's some cracks here because they eating me band to band. Okay. So if you not to notice this, erase it. Right a wrong number or right words, erase it. See, easy busy. Okay, lemon squeezy. Okay. See the edge. Okay, see, this is some cracks here. Erase the crack area or scratch. Okay guys, we're starting now. Use clean gloves or use gloves. We can use now a tape in newspaper. From here to here. Okay. Okay. That's it. So put the paper. That's the bumper. Give you technique how to put tape quickly. See? Okay. So here, use a white tape. No need to be rushed. The important you cover only the closer area. avoid mixing paint with the only leaf area. It's the basic fundamental. Okay. How to fix your vehicle with your own desire. No need to be expert in taping. Important you cover it properly. See? Only the closer area. Another tips in the painting before, if you want to finish this very fast, you need to put a heater. It's up to you, but for me, I can use it, but the problem is I think not totally wet, so not necessary now to do that. Okay. If you have experience knowledge in wrapping at the mall, you can use it now. So wrapping again. Important the paint only that area. Okay. See? Grip 60, grip to 100. That's my advice. Before applying, a grip 100. Okay. Okay. So no dust. Okay. Okay, we can spray now the primer for this area just to finish this video. Okay. Start applying now. Okay, primer. Okay. I'll experiment this vehicle because the color is not important to me. Okay, and beside this vehicle is not a brand new, a model 2004 model, so almost oh, okay, more than 20 years. 2004, 21 years model. So for me, not important the paint. The important you covered that area. Okay. So first, use this before it's raining. Applying a gray